And now the good news is that we are one step closer to protecting more of our children from COVID. Pfizer's leader says the company plans to apply for emergency use in just a few days. Right now, it's only approved for kids who are 12 and older. The next dose would go to kids between the ages of 5 and 11, and it couldn't come at a better time. The American Academy of Pediatrics reports that kids make up more than a quarter of all COVID cases reported across the country. Tonight, our Rich Nye takes a look at what the next step could mean for your family.
Pfizer says pediatric trials show that its COVID-19 vaccine is safe and effective for children ages 5 to 11. The emergency use authorization process with the Food and Drug Administration could begin this week. Shots could start going in the arms of younger children by the end of October.
This is definitely a game changer, not only in the sense of a pandemic, but if this vaccine is as effective in children as we've seen in adults, then this will definitely help us alleviate that from the challenges that we're experiencing, right? Not only for schools and for public health, but for moms and dads as well.
A vaccine for children ages 5 through 11 would cover most elementary school students, and a vaccinated student relieves some of the hassle and burden of contact tracing.
Students who are vaccinated and show no symptoms can avoid the quarantines that have disrupted so many classrooms in the past couple months. Pfizer says this dose for younger children is 1/3 the size of that given to people 12 and older.
What's the minimum amount of vaccine we can give somebody to produce the desired effect, right? To produce enough antibodies to protect you, right? We don't ever want to give more than what's absolutely necessary. So they've determined what this threshold is.
Vaccinating another large segment of the population obviously also raises the overall vaccination percentage.
We know that not everybody's going to get vaccinated. We certainly wish more people would get vaccinated because we could have avoided a lot of like the surges in hospitalization that we've seen over the past couple months now. And unfortunately, then the mortality that we've seen associated with that.
Children ages 5 to 11 would receive 2 doses of the Pfizer vaccine, 21 days apart.